This right here is one of the biggest waterfalls in Tennessee, in the state of Tennessee. You hear me? Fall Creek Falls. I told myself I wasn't gonna do it, but to get to the base of the waterfall, it says 0.4. They never measure these trails the right way. It always says something different, like on an iPod or a Fitbit if you have one. Yeah, so they're saying 0.4 right here. I think it's like a 0.7, and we gotta hike through this little trail all the way down just to check out the biggest waterfall in the state of Tennessee. I invited one of my boys, hope he watches this video. But yeah, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna put him on blast because he was the one that was supposed to bring me to this waterfall, and I came by myself. Yeah, so much for having a co-pilot. Of the waterfall, Tennessee's biggest waterfall. this waterfall. The base of the waterfall. The most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen. Treetop adventure. Take fun to new heights. Zip line. Fall Creek Falls State Park. Right now it's 6:38, and I'm making me some chili beans in Fall Creek Falls. I got my whole tent set up, got my clothes hanged up. Everything is good to go. I got the pitch wood. I went to sleep like around 7 at night, and I'm up at 11 because some of my tent was falling. I felt like there was something on top, but what I realized is that I just went through a whole damn snowstorm. Look at this. Oh. We're gonna go outside and see how it looks from the outside. This is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my God. Look. And it's still snowing. This is beautiful.